Avoid these mistakes while making the letter Y. Many times most of us make the letter Y in this way. Some of them make a small knot or a triangle at the bottom. Some make a bigger triangle and flip out the tail in the outer direction. And the last one is avoiding unnecessary loops, like in this place you can see. Let us start with cursive letter Y. For that you will make a slant line up, come down, take a U-turn, go up again, come down on the same line, but this time you will extend it up till the red line and coming down as a back slant. Make a thin loop and go up. We are going to make 4 such patterns. Please ensure all of them look alike and are equally spaced. In this case, lines are going slant and parallel to each other. Whereas if you want to make a straight Y, we'll go straight up, come down straight, go straight up, come down straight till the red line and make a loop. Very easily you can make out this is a straight line here and this is the parallel straight line. So this is for straight and this is for slant. That's all for today. To watch the videos in series, kindly like and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Till then, happy writing!